Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got this beautiful pocket purse to share with you, and I believe this bag is in like new condition, judging by the stiffness of the leather and the overall condition of the bag. I don't think it was ever used. So like I mentioned, this is a vintage Coach pocket purse, and this specific bag was made in 2002 in Costa Rica, so it's just barely vintage this year. And it's in the color navy blue, so it's a pretty dark navy color. It almost could pass for black, but it is a little bit lighter than my black pocket purse. And the style number was 9755. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the bag now. So the pocket purses came with several different styles of straps over the years. This one comes with the smaller dog leash clips or clasps and an adjustable strap. So they just clip on here to the side D-rings of the bag. So the bag could be used as a clutch or a crossbody bag. So here's what it looks like with the strap attached. And then of course, as you can see, it does come with the hang tag. So here's the front of the bag, and here's the side view, and then here's the back. And as you can see, it has a wide slip pocket in the back, and then it's got here's the side of the bag, and then I'll show you the bottom so you can see kind of how wide the bag is. Okay, so now we'll open it. So here's what the inside of the bag looks like. It does have another slip pocket here in the front. So here's what the inside of the bag looks like. So you can kind of see how large it is. And the creed is back here. You can kind of pick it up on camera. I'll insert a photo of it now as well. So here's a close-up of what the creed looks like. Okay, so now that you've seen the creed, this is also a slip pocket. So as the name suggests, it's got lots of pockets, one here, and then one in the back. So anyway, that's the pocket purse. As I mentioned, it's a pretty versatile bag because you can carry it as a clutch or wear it as a crossbody bag. So yeah, that's the bag. I will of course link it below in our Etsy shop if you want to look at it further. And I will also link or leave all the information on the bag that I mentioned earlier in the video. If you guys want to reference that for any reason, it'll be there. But otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.